everybody, how's it going? It's day 4 of the Isolation Challenge, Volume 1, where we're going to learn a country-style walking bass sort of thing. Last time we left off with a progression that goes like this. And today we're going to upgrade it into something that goes like this. Now that's a particular style of strumming called alternating bass strumming because our bass note is alternating between two notes. Where we left off, we had our root. So on the A chord, our root was here. And then we were doing a down up. Well, we're still gonna do that. Root, down, up. But then after that, we're gonna go alt, or the alternate bass note, and then down up. So for each of our chord shapes, we have to remember 2 possible bass notes. There's the root, which we've already practiced a lot, and then there's the alternate one. And on the A chord, it's the E string. So we would go root, alternating, root, alternating. Sounds like a bass line. So we're not adding too much today. Let's just work through this on each of the shapes. We have our A chord. We're gonna go root, down, up, alt, down, up, and then do that again. So in the end, we end up with 4 little units in total. Root, down, up, alt. Root, down, up, alt, down, up. But before you try that, let's just gradually build into it. On our A shape, we're gonna play root, down, alt, down, root, down, alt, down. Once again, don't get too hung up on the accuracy. You do want to be accurate, but you don't want to give up that loose feeling. You don't want to get all rigid picking that note, you know, like where your strumming arm kind of stops doing this whole thing. Root, alt, root, alt. From there, you just change that downstroke into a down up, root, down, up, alt. And next we'll isolate the D chord. So on our D chord, we're gonna pick the root note that we're already familiar with, and then our alt is right here on the A string. So it feels the same, you know, D, A, and I want you to go through those same steps. First going root, down, alt, down. We'll do that a few times. And then when you're ready, add the down up. And then finally, we can isolate the E chord. Now for E, our bass note, low E string, and our alternate is right here on the A string. So root, start off with just root, down, root, down. Just get yourself familiar with those notes. Then root, down, up. I, C, C. And once you've worked on each of those separately, we can put them together in pairs. So we're going to go between A and D, and then our next pair, A and E. And that's what we're going to do next time. So just work on each of these individually. I've updated the worksheet on Patreon, so you can go back to it and get the latest version. Other than that, have fun practicing, and I'll see you really soon.